Welcome to Clarity Visuals. As today we're going to about our whitening and this whitening. So today's tutorial, we're going to cover how to get it white and how to make your eyes white. I got some tricks for you. I got several tricks for you. But in today's tutorial, as Lord led, I'm going to give you some tips. So before we go to tutorial info, please take a minute to like and subscribe to my channel. So we are going to start the class in 3, 2, 1. So welcome back to the class. So firstly, we are going to go to adjustment layer, go to white and contrast, increase the brightness a little bit when you see the iris. Okay, 56 is okay. So after then go back to adjustment layer, then go to road and saturation. Then after then you're going to desaturate it. After desaturate it, the reason we give it photo filter because of the details of the eyes. That's why we give it the tools I'm going to use now. In the adjustment layer, the photo filter, I'm going to call it quick filter, the one with 82. So I'm going to decrease it. So when you see the eyeball, it's okay. There is okay. Or 11 is okay rather. So after then you're going to group it all. So after you click on the first layer, you're going to shift to go to the above layer, then back to this icon over here. So let's go. You're going to place a mask up on it. So you're going to press Alt, the mask layer. After then, go to your brush tool. Then make sure your brush is softened. Your hardness is 0. Your blend mode is normal. Your opacity is 100. Your play is 100. So right now, you're going to make sure your focal one is white and not black. Now press D to select it or click over here. Save no choice. And press S to change it. So you're going to whiten the eyes. So as you can see, I'm whitening the eyes and that's it. So this is a first strip of eye whitening. Like the effect is too much, so I can reduce opacity a little bit to make it real. So this okay. So this is the before and the after, before and the after. So this is the first strip of my eye teeth whitening and eye whitening. So I'm going to give you the second strip of eye whitening. So the second strip of eye whitening, I'm going to go to your adjustment layer, go to vibrance. For this time you have to decrease your layer. Go to vibrance, then desaturate it, then the vibrance. So if you are going to desaturate your vibrance also. So you're going to reverse it the way we did the first step. So after then you're going to go to your brush, which is opacity on where your place on where and the soft one brush. So you're going to go to the eyes and whitening also. This second step, I'm showing you of making eye white and teeth to be white. So this is the second step of how to make eye whitening. I can also reduce the opacity a little bit. So it's okay. So this is the second step of eye whitening and teeth whitening. So I know how you prefer. So before I go, I'm going to give you another trip on eye whitening. So after I do your filter separation, your data bond, your contouring, your number contouring, your retaining your face, your smoothing your face, then you can do your hours then action. You can also put it as an action, but I'm going to give you 3 part tutorials to put it as an action. So you come to this icon over here. After the dot one small two, change the front brush, visit dot trick I'm giving. Make sure you select the freeze 50. Then I'm going to go to your image, zoom in, also visit, also white. So it's also used for whitening eyes. You can see it. This is the third step I'm giving you. So this one I have so this third step I'm showing on eye. So white your teeth, eye. So you can see the third step over here. And after, before and after. So you can tell me in the comments below which one of these trip you like. Is it the rodent saturation trip? Is it the vibrance? Is it the spark 2? So you can tell me in the comment section. So right now I'm going to show you how to make a action of those previous steps that I do in this tutorial. So firstly it comes to action. After coming to action, it comes to action, it comes to new action. How many minutes I and teeth writing, then record. Sorry for that. I'm going to delete all this layer before I record. So I'm going to delete this action. So I'm going to start from scratch. This action. So firstly, I'll click on this icon, then click on limits. I teeth writing. You can limit a subgroup. This is a subgroup of the action I've created. So I'm going to click done and this. You can choose a figure, the choose shortcut I'm to use. I can also choose a color, so I'm going to give this one blue. Now I'm going to press record. After then, the first thing that we do is go to adjustment layer, go to white and contrast, increase the brightness a little bit. We give 56 at first. So you go to our border saturation. We desaturate the image. Desaturate there the image. You come to photo filter. Then we use Holy filter 28. Then reduce density a little bit. This is okay. After that we go it on. After working it, we create a mask layer. So you click on wash. Make sure the wash is a software. Opacity 100 if you 100. So now we have free the action, so we have to stop the action. Okay. So right now I'm going to play the action for you all to see when we are creating the action. So I'm going to do this action by you. So I'm going to click on I whitening, then press the play action. So you can see the action is pretty cool. So let's make my work easier and faster. So I'm going to highlight it here. then reduce the opacity a little bit. You can see the before and the after. So if you want to create the action for your second step also, you can also apply the same step. The same format on how to create behavioral answer. So right now, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if this tutorial is helpful for you, and also comment the best step that I choose that is right for you between the smog to between the vibrance to between the wood and saturation to comment it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.